So where can you get sample code and how do you open developer tools to look at that sample code? So this is the textbook we're using, WebGL Programming Guide. You want a paper copy of that textbook, in my opinion. If you really like to read on the screen, you can find a PDF online someplace, I think. But I recommend the paper copy because you're going to reference it a lot in this class. So sample code is on this website right here. You can just Google the author's name in WebGL. It's going to come right up. So let's click into chapter 2. You can see on chapter 2, there was these examples in the book. Just looking at the source code is not going to get you all the way there. The book walks you through every new function as it's introduced and explains what does it do. My explanation videos in this class are not going to come anywhere close. You want to read through the textbook. When I say read chapter 2, you want to read all of chapter 2. That said, I'm going to try to walk through some certain key points about developing the lab assignments. So let's take a look at a specific example. So how about hello point 1? I just have this on the screen. Great, what do I do with this? I wish I could see some code. Up here in Chrome, it's in a different place on different browsers, but in Chrome, you go over here to more tools. You go over here, you get to developer tools, and you're gonna get some screen that looks like this. So there's a lot of different things to click on. We're in sources. This was off of the website, roger.globallinguist.com. Inside this WebGL folder, see we're on WebGL chapter 2, hello point. Okay, so here's the chapter 2. Here's hello point HTML, hello point HTML. So here's the HTML file. Draw a point 1. The title of this page should be draw a point 1. It's not showing on here. We're including some other source scripts. We also have a JavaScript file. Inside the JavaScript file, here's JavaScript that's going to run. We have these two shaders, which we haven't talked about yet. Here's a vertex shader, and here's a fragment shader. You're going to see a lot of those in this class, but we haven't talked about them yet. So here's where I can find my source.